Today is a great day. We got a Baseball Archives 2024 box. We got ourselves a Red Bull. And we also got 10 subscribers. So thank you guys. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed, liked, and commented on my videos. It means a lot. Thank you. So cheers. Yeah, Tropical Red Bull's really good. Okay, so we got 7 packs here. So let's pick our lucky pack number 1. We're going with this one. We got Jordan Walker, Mike Piazza, Brian Ramos, rookie, Emmett Sheehan, Roger Clemens on the parallel, Sonny Gray, Sean Murphy, and Carl. I don't really like Roger Clemens, so that pack sucked. Adley, Zach Gallen, Darryl Strawberry. He's a Met, so he could go over there. Christian Yelich, Mookie Betts. We got a Brewer. Who is it? Cool. Contreras. Nice little parallel, whatever you call this. Very cool looking card. Emmanuel Clase, probably the best closer in the league right now. Joey and Sal. Okay. Scooble. Judge. I like Aaron Judge. Andy Rodriguez. We got a rookie. Jared Jones. Jared Jones on the cool stuff. And then we got Shota Amanga. Is it numbered? No, but it's really cool looking. Rod Carew and Joey. That was a decent little pack. Cool. I see color again. Henry, JT, Vaughn, Lipscomb, a Mike Trout, a Michael Trout. Oops. Really cool card. A Cedric Mullins on the black. Ooh, Luis Gil and Carlos Correa. Sick. All right, the last pack. Let's see. Hopefully we get something good. Frank Thomas, Ketel Marte. That's it. Is that it? Oh, shit. Who is this? Autograph. Pete Crow. Matt McLean. Kyle Manzardo. On-card auto. On-card auto, bro. No way. Rookie card. Manzardo.